Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mercy. I'm an acupuncturist, a physiotherapist and a yoga therapist. In this video, I'm here to give you an important information about the huge list of medical issues that we have been introduced to and still getting introduced to. Okay, the fact is that all these medical issues are symptom-based. That is the fag end of the problem. What about the root cause of the problem? Because as far as we keep treating only the symptoms, it will keep repeating. Like for example, if we treat the right knee, then the pain will go to the left knee, then the left shoulder, right shoulder, and it will keep shifting. If one muscle is paining, then it will go to another muscle, another muscle. If a kidney is operated from the stones, again it will keep coming. What about even PCOD cases, which even people, even the school children are facing these days? Every month it will keep repeating until it will keep on repeating until the root is healed. So that is the reason why root cause is very important. One more good news is that root cause is almost the same type for all problems. Okay. For example, we respire, lung respires, intake of oxygen and exit of carbon dioxide. The same thing happens in a cell level also, right from the organ, right until the tip of our head is made out of cells. So literally 30 trillion cells are there in the body. So when this cell, when a food molecules join with oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide and energy. When this reaction fails to happen, the food molecule in the form of glucose keeps accumulating all over the body in the form of in the blood or in the urine, which we call as diabetes. When it happens localized, we call it in different names. For example, when it happens in the kidney, it is known as kidney stones, or the crystals that is getting deposited. In the liver, it is known as fatty liver. It is obviously known as fatty liver because the job of the liver is for fat assimilation. The same thing when it happens even in the brain, even in psychological level, we are getting affected when this glucose accumulation takes place in various parts of the body. So the concept is ultimately the same. Now, how are we to find out which particular organ is getting affected? Because there are some people who take even 4 tablespoons or teaspoons of sugar in a coffee and still remain non-diabetic lifelong. But a person taking even half a teaspoon of sugar, he is said to have diabetes, he is said to have a sugar level shooted up, and cases like that. Then சில டைம் சொல்லுவோம்ல, ஒருத்தவங்க 50 பரோட்டா சாப்பிட்டாலும் அவங்க உடம்புக்கு ஒண்ணுமே பண்றது இல்ல, ஒல்லியாவே இருக்கான், நம்மலாம் தண்ணி குடிச்சாலே குண்டாயிடும்டா. Correct. So we've seen this here. Why is this happening? There is a reason. There's nothing known as cause unknown. Every one of us are different. It is just based on element theory. This is in ancient science that is written by our ancient physicians ages back, written and completed over. So this we have to realize the importance, because there's no more researches on that or anything, because it's complete science. So it's important to believe in the complete science. Once the root is treated, everything is fine. So this works especially on the vitality of the person. Vitality is nothing but the immune system of the person. We know even in the pandemic situation, ours was the greatest and the maximum number of cases and the maximum number of survivors also, it was us. Correct? This is because of the immune system. So the vitality is triggered up and thereby facilitating the immune system to release WBC's antigens and the corresponding protein with the food molecules essential for the particular organ to function better with oxygen combination, releasing carbon dioxide and energy. Done. So cellular respiration at the root level is done. So now how do we find out which organ is affected and for whom it is affected in different ways? This is because of element theory that is given, just based upon earth, fire, wood, water and metal. Earth, fire, wood, water and metal. You are an element. You are dominant of a particular element. You may either be earth element, fire element, wood element, water element or metal element. Okay, we'll come to that later which element you will be. So it is important that நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் that நம்ம மண்ணில் என்ன விளைக்கிறதோ அது நம்ம உடம்புக்கு நல்லது. அதே மாதிரி தான் method of treatment also, because it is depending on our make of our body. Okay, so that is the reason why it's important. Now, as we know that all these problems, once it gets into the symptom level, we will have to heal it there. So how are we to correct it? That is from the root, it has progressed. So same way from the root, when we have to heal it, it will take 3 months, nearly 3 months. Once a week for 3 months is not a difficult thing. Some people live with it for years together, and the progressiveness have also taken place for 3 months to 11 months together. So obviously the healing also logical. So வேர்லிருந்து பிரச்சனையை அழைக்கிற மாதிரி. So that is what is most important right now. Okay. So right now I'll give you a nice home remedy for what all of us are interested in is liver detox, isn't it? Early morning we get up, we take lime juice, we take ABC, and so many other things which we want to detox. But is it reaching the liver exactly? Because if the organ is deficient, then it may not. Sometimes you don't drink all these things also, this will work. So the point is situated exactly in the center of the back end of the crease, center of the back end of the wrist crease. Just place a chana in this crease and wind it around. Why a chana? A seed, any kind of a seed is basically the thing. Anything which is facilitating of germination, it has got life force in it. For example, the earth, the sun, moon, vital organs such as a heart, kidney, everything has vital energy in that, which produces even the womb in the uterus of the mother. Correct? So all this has life force, and that's the reason why it is facilitating. It can facilitate for the growth. So in case you forget to put it in the night, you can put it for 8 hours in the night and sleep off. You can do this for 2 weeks together. And in case you forget, you can put it in the daytime, and then you can put some wrist, what do you call the sweatpants you can put, and something like hair bands also. Some girls put it and cover it, and for style it will not be seen. Now this point has to be alternated with another point which is in the center of the finger, in the center of the wrist crease. The center of the crease of the finger. Okay, for this, since it is a smaller area, you need to take a pachapairan solvanga. It's a green pea, green gram. It's a green gram. Okay, the eye of the green gram has to be exactly touching your skin. Okay, eye and then touching your skin. So just do this daily, every night, 8 hours, and you can take it out half an hour after you wake up in the morning. Okay, this repeatedly do for 2 weeks. Monday you keep it here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. Just alternately 1 point alone. It is basically 2 points that you need to remember. Okay, this is not good only for liver detox. It's also good for insomnia problem, for people who all have sleep disturbances. 1 in every 10% have the problem. Stay connected to know what element you are next.